An all-party meeting will be organized at National People's Party office on March 25th. With the aim to deliberate upon delimitation in Manipur. The meeting will be held under the sponsorship of Left Party. Speaking in this regard at Irabad Bhavan, former Secretary of CPI Manipur State Council, Laishram Sotin Kumar said left parties, including CPI, CPIM, Forward Bloc, have resolved in a meeting that was held today that they will allow the process of delimitation only after completion of National Census 2026 and NCR exercise. He further maintained that the left parties have also met with leaders of Congress, BJP, NPP, and NPF as the need arises to have all-party meeting regarding delimitation. On the other hand, CPIM State Secretary Khetrimayum Santa said if delimitation is carried out on the basis of population as directed by Supreme Court, Manipur can face further problems as it continues to face the concerning issues at the moment. Former Minister Moirangthem Nara also expressed his views on delimitation during the press meet.
States yam sang of a delimitation IBC voter list depend of the foreign national Kayama, Maru in Myanmar, Lapa, Chin Cookie, Lak Kayama, Manipur Saidamba, Sanjal Lakiba, Adimatakta Masibu, Loktum the Vidam of the NRC, and Bayakan pressure, Adugal foreign national Ekimakada, Moida, deport of Yagi, Punjab, citizen, but my lady, Adisamatak Rizab Foresta, Moina Kuntas and Bagi. Adu hujiksi Mori Kangdi, Rajanpur Kangdi, Imphal Kangdi, who Tongan Belly, water sinks, and Hapsan given a target of Tatpal Mayamale, Punamuxi, Magi, Eliada, Laineda Mayami Ori, Lishipura Lanjana Tanjaman, delimitation Torpatamda, Machina, Nangada Bukudung Tibakaya, Badudi, Koi, Machine Marakta, Buffer zone, red zone, Badudi and Gokana, Koi Tokai to Kaina Tarpayavagi, Aki Versi and Patorkani, Sumba, delimitation Tabuxe, Mashi, Lepko.
Lakadu batang Kulmangagi, Nutini Punganida, NPP office, but the Pamasi, number of the Kaimatamda, BJP office, the Pamasu Noite, Kangasis Noite, Nakoi Melna, NPP is the Pamasi and Nakoi. I am Ponazare, Kangisi, losing Basinsu, BJP, losing Basinsu, NP, Kisho, to Moila, and I don't know. I go left Pillage, Edibasiga, Mokuman, to do away Manipur, Karamai told them. Janabama all political parties might have sige, movement might have sige, we Manipur sige, we Yamasutin, Hagi, eating Bahole Samalaqua, Naga, Yaudana, we cookie, Metega, Tonariva, machine, machine, Levasina, we Yamsauna measure, we delimitation, we Maru showed in a pillow, the name of Kali.
Left parties in Logi Hilbuari, high Madu Poroton of Honajari, and the Yaribumakai, left the Nati, say democratic secular forces, including the ruling party, BJP Yauna, conscientious Karu, because the situation as of now is very complex, very complicated. Maramaduna, City Party Amadagi, Natra Party, Ahumaritagi have a Kayopiaru. There is a situation Sida. Come down, Sigi, Ekasi Chalina Honda, Kayam Yamna Kudu Nangani. Haven't Chimbusi, left and right in Hobum Changya. The things are very sensitive. Maramaduna Party Punamuxi Puna, Laminavi Yanabagi, Ponaba Makan Koitanja Logegi.